Welcome to Group 6 video presentation on conditional formatting within Microsoft Excel. Conditional formatting is a very powerful tool that will help us to identify key trends, important data points, and outliners in our spreadsheet. Within this tutorial, we will going to learn examples using different techniques on how conditional formatting could be used in enhancing our data visualization. For example, I have taken this data. If we select a particular data from here, we can find the conditional formatting button on the home tab itself. You can see various options here: highlight cell rules, top bottom rules, data bars, color scales, icon sets. So we'll start with highlight cell rules. Under the highlight cell rules, there are various options like greater than, less than, between, equal to. So we'll start with greater than. Numbers which are greater than, suppose 50, and I want 59, okay, and then I want them to be at green color. So here it is. The numbers which are greater than 59 get highlighted in a green color. For same, if I select it again, this time I'll go with less than. I want numbers less than 98 to be in red color. See, the numbers which are reading are done. Now for the third option, between numbers between 55 to 142, I want this color to be yellow. I can do that. The numbers which were in between 50 and 142 are yellow in color now. Again, some more functions are there. If I select this data, particular data, and I go to the conditional formatting and text that content, if I write AGAR, Agrawal, I want Agrawal to be green color, it does. Before this, I had done Yadav, so Yadav appeared as red color. So the names containing Agrawal turns in green. And now let's move to another thing. Now next we have is top bottom rules. Under top bottom rules we have some more topics. So first let's top 10 items. I want in my data of top 10 items should be filled with green color. So my top 10 items are now highlighted as green. Same with bottom 10. I want numbers less than my lowest 10 numbers to be in red color. So you can see the numbers which are less than top 10 digits are highlighted now in red color. Let's move to data bars. The top 10% and top 10% below bottom 10% are quite similar. So, and for average, if I select this particular data and go for the average, above average, the numbers which are above average get highlighted. Same with the below average. Now for the data bars, gradient fill and solid fill. There are two types of this, and there are even options for more rules where you can customize your data as per your need. So right now I'll just do it as a basic thing. Data bars. I'll go for the gradient fill. It shows your data shows with the help of conditional formatting. Data bars, you can display your data in this way. And in the same way, I'll show you color scales. Color scales is basically apply a color to gradient to change range of cells. It shows you with two different colors. With the help of two different colors, you can check out. Next we have is conditional formatting icon sets. There are directional, shapes, indicators, greetings. You can select anyone. For shapes, if I go with this, you can see the shapes appear in front of the digits. Same with the ratings. Higher the digit, higher the ratings it is. It's kind of Wi-Fi network. We can even try with this. And last we have clear rules. If a specific rule is applied, basically if I have applied data, instead of doing undo, you can just clear the rules. It can be done in this way too. Now for the data bars, top bottoms, I have shown each and everything. That's all for the conditional formatting. Conditional formatting can be used to just visualize your data. It is one of the important tools and it is one of the basis of the Excel. With this, the data which we are trying to represent, it becomes clear, it becomes visualizable, it becomes more attractive to see it. Thank you.